get you, boy, they tryna take those spots. Don't be cuffin' on these thoughts, they tryna play it like a system. Turn the game off a plug the court and throw that hoe away. Watch these niggas back, you know they slick, you know these niggas snake. Tryna live your life in your shoes and tables off your plate. Always have your eyes open if you daddy moving snake. Always gotta speak to people cause you wanna win they way. So these niggas that you got around and show them you won't say.
Alright, y'all, so ooh, it's not ready yet, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some more water in here, and then after I put some more water, I'm gonna put some slow down. It is not ready yet, but I'm gonna put a little bit more water in here, and I'm gonna put some butter in here, and then I'll put it back in there. And then I think I'm gonna put it back in there for about like 5 more minutes. Hey y'all, look at the bread. I'm gonna flip. Okay, they flipped over. They flipped over now, but I'm gonna put it back in there for about put it back in there for like 20 minutes. Okay. And the stuff I seasoned it with is the same stuff that y'all know the same stuff I use. And yes, I put ranch in it, but I did put ranch in it, so yeah. And after this get done, y'all finna see what I'm doing, because I'm finna make some real macaroni and cheese, okay? Y'all finna see this with me, okay? Alright, y'all, so this got about like, yeah, I think this better, but I'm finna taste it. I'm finna taste it and see if it's, oh no, it's not hard no more, so okay, what I'm finna do is, I didn't think about how to drain this. Okay, I'm finna drain it. I'm finna go drain this. I'm just finna go drain this real quick. So yeah. Okay, it's drained now, and what I'm finna do is I'm finna make my own kind of macaroni. What I'm starting with the egg. I'm finna season it up. I'm finna put egg and I'm finna put some complete seasoning up. Not complete seasoning, but Creole. And of course ranch. I'm making my own kind of macaroni and cheese, so yeah. Use some of this whipping cream. don't really remember, but okay. We're finna see. Dad and start this. And I'm gonna let it cook. I'm finna put it on for about like 10 I'm gonna leave it in there for about these last 10 minutes, and then yeah, we're gonna get some more cheese and stuff. But y'all, it's gonna get y'all. Okay, we're gonna let that finish cooking, and then next what I'm gonna do. Next what I'm gonna do is, well, nothing, because we're just gonna wait till that finish cooking. But yeah, okay, so I'm getting back when that finished, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working with. Alright, y'all, so this is what we're working with. As you can see, this is what we're working with. And I'm gonna pour this here. As y'all can see, this is how it looks. And I'm gonna put the cheese in here, the orange. I might be boo-booing, but hey, I got a spoon. And I'm gonna mix it all up. And after I mix all this up, I'm gonna put some cheese on the top. That almost should be done. I'm gonna put some cheese on the top of this, and then I'm gonna put it back in the microwave so it can bake. It's good. But I'm gonna put it back in the microwave so it can like so-called bake. When I sprinkle the cheese on the top of this. But y'all, it's gonna be good, y'all. Just the process. Put on like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna let that cook for that 5. Oh, the water bottle. So I'm gonna let that cook for the 5 minutes, and I'm gonna y'all don't. They not burnt. But you know they done it. You know they done, right? Alright, y'all, these ribs be done. After these ribs, I'm gonna make the barbecue sauce in this cup, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave. It's a little ghetto, but it's gonna be good. Okay. And after I do that, I'm gonna sprinkle it all on I'm gonna put it all on the ribs, and I'm gonna put it back in there. And put some seasoning in here. And then I'm gonna put ranch. These is the mashed potatoes, as y'all can see. So okay, I got the sauce. I have this sauce for the okay, the sauce is on the ribs. I'm gonna put it back in there for about like about 5 minutes, and next what I'm gonna do is we finna get back to this macaroni and cheese. Y'all see that? After that, for probably about like 2 minutes, and then what I'm finna do next is these are the rolls we're gonna be cooking, and I'm gonna do these mixed vegetables. Okay, y'all, this is the macaroni. Dang. But this is the macaroni cheese. I'm trying to make sure y'all can see so it don't fall. But yeah, this is the macaroni and cheese. So we got the macaroni and cheese, the mashed potatoes, the ribs, and we're gonna put some one side. Okay, we got the vegetables on one side, and then on the other side, I'm gonna put the rolls. Oh, baby. See, we got the rolls and then the vegetables, and I'm gonna put it in there for about like, I don't know, about probably like 5-10 minutes. But alright. Let me see this. Tripping. The rolls is done. They got a little burn, but okay. So everything else is done. The only thing we're waiting to cook is the vegetables, and then after that, yo, it's time to eat. I'll make the plate, and yeah, y'all go see. So y'all. It's a little scorched, but hey. Look. Yeah, macaroni and cheese. Okay, y'all, that sums it up for this video. Yeah, but okay, yeah, that sums it up for this video. But not for real. I'm gonna be back with more videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the post notifications on. And y'all already know, send it to y'all folks. But yeah, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna do some more cooking videos because I don't be knowing what to really do. But I know I can do some cooking videos. So yeah, if I come up with any other ideas, I'm gonna be doing those. But yeah, I hope y'all like this video. But yeah, just make sure y'all send this to y'all mom, y'all sister, y'all daddy, y'all auntie, y'all uncle, y'all cousin. Y'all know all those folks. But yeah, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
I'm on my dog, they some day ones, ain't no day two, bitch, that's facts. I ain't gone about my brothers, cause I know they got my back. Come in the back with no seatbelt, but keep in mind that I be strapped. Need a bitch, we get put over, put that crack up in her crack. If you play, then you gon' lay, best believe you getting smacked. Smoking gas, they like, what's that? That's a dead off, you can't have. Let her